Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we are going to walk through how to apply a resident return visa to Australia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, resident return visa this can be issued under several circumstances. One of those is like you are present in Australia as a permanent resident and you lived there like 2 years in past 5 years. And then you are out of the country and you need a resident return visa to return. So in that case, they issue for you for 5 years. Okay. Of course, there are other things. Sometimes even you need to provide compelling reasons if you don't meet the requirements. But in this particular sample video, we'll go for that you are a permanent resident, you completed, and now you want to come back. So let's proceed. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So the very first thing you do is go to the IMMI account, click on new application. Here you have resident return. Click on this. Okay. This is then it's asking for your current location. Now in this drop down, you will select the country that asks for that. So I'm just putting this as an example to do as per okay. Legal status. So let's say you're an Australian permanent resident, but you are a citizen of India, so that's why. Is this application so in group is this application being launched as part of group of application? I select no, you're doing it alone. But if you're doing like a family or something, then now the very first thing is the passport they have asked. Enter the family details as per the passport. Okay. I'm just putting sample. You need to do as per your case. Date of birth, everything you need to do as per your case. Yes, I'm just putting sample. Passport number, country of passport, nationality of passport, date of issue, do it as per your case. Place of issue, check your passport and make sure the data matches. Australian visa grant. Has this applicant have an Australian visa grant number from a previous application? Yes, he has. So like this is sample video, so I'll try to skip, but if you have definitely provide national identity document. So let me in India, like you get Aadhaar as national identity. There are other documents too. Let me see. I can get some sample for Aadhaar that I can use. Okay, now let me just put this. And it depends upon your nationality too. Date of issue, date of issue. Wow, it got accepted. Maybe because of the format. Place of birth, do it as per your case. State, country. Other, have you used any other name? Is the applicant citizen of the selected country? Of any other country? Well, India does not allow dual citizenship, so that question does not even exist here. Other passport, do you have other passport? Other identity document? I select no. But if you have, definitely provide that information. Check all this information. If it's correct, let's go. Morning. Okay, John Smith cannot be identified. Okay, because we did not put some lot of information, but this is just a sample video. So when you do like proper information, it will identify you. Residential address, where you live now. So I'll start with India address to proper address. Do not like this. Town, let's say New Delhi. Postal code, contact phone number, postal is same as residential. I select yes. Any agent you are appointing, I select no. Electronic communication, okay. Next. Did the applicant migrate to Australia prior to 1990? I select no. Date of permanent visa grant or entry permit if known. So I assume he was granted, let's say in 2019, when let's say February 1st. When did the applicant first arrived in Australia? So let's say 2019, Feb. Has ever departed Australia since first arrival? Departed and re-entered. Okay. So let's say in our case, this guy has departed but not re-entered. So I'll select no, but if you have taken any trip in and out of Australia, do that. Click on yes and provide the information that they have asked. Was the applicant ever an Australian citizen? I select no. Has the applicant been present in Australia permanent resident or Australian citizen for a period totaling for at least 2 years in past 5 years? I select yes. If you select no, it will ask for the reason and other criteria, reason and other things. So I don't have to, I'm not doing that. I'll select this. Yeah. Click on next. So I'm just reading no for all of them, but you definitely read and understand and then you click. Now, here comes the declaration again. Read everything in the next stage, like it will be fee, documents, and all. So, of course, I'm not going to go there, but you got the information how to do this. So, thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.